Well, the positive spin you can put on the next couple of days is the fact that it is going to be very, very warm. Beyond that, we've got a lot of active weather to track, and that does include the potential for torrential rain, some stronger thunderstorms, and then a much colder setup going into the weekend. So we got a lot going on, a lot of territory to cover. Our 21C Museum Hotel live weather boat camera downtown, our St. Joseph Health network of cameras in downtown Lexington showing the persistent cloud deck that's been hanging in there. So yeah, there's some gloom associated with your Tuesday. Visibility is still down along the Ohio River, 4 miles right now in Louisville, down almost to a half mile in Covington. So here is the Max Track Live. That's about as unimpressive as it gets. We've got moisture out there in that low cloud cover, and as well in some occasional showers and sprinkles. They were a little more numerous earlier this morning. So don't really expect much in the way of rain coverage today. There will be some showers hanging around, but the real action doesn't get going until tomorrow and into Thursday. Winter weather is still an issue for much of the Mountain West and even up into the upper plains and, well, look at that, western Great Lakes. Not only do they have a winter weather advisory out in Michigan and Wisconsin, they've got an ice storm warning out. Chicago going through northern Illinois. They're looking at the potential for maybe a tenth to up to about a half an inch of ice accumulation, mayhem up there on the roads, especially as you get around Chicago. Here we're far enough south, we're talking rain and a whole lot of it. So for today, some spotty sprinkles and showers tonight and tomorrow. The rain starts to ramp up. It's going to come in a number of waves. You can see it running this boundary. There's a cold front overhead now. It's going to push back north as a warm front tomorrow. So some of that moisture is going to follow that boundary. So a lot of it will be up over Indiana, the Ohio River Valley. But eventually, a lot of it starts to get to us as we see these waves diving in. Heavy rain, possibly some strong storms, maybe borderline severe. The better chance for that's going to be out west, though. And the hits just keep coming. So when it's all said and done by Friday, we could be talking anywhere between 2 to over 4 inches of rain. You can see those numbers ramping up. That's through Friday. So we're about to get swamped. Here's the indication. There's a front overhead. It's 62 in Lexington. It's 33 up in Indianapolis. So that cold front stalls out and then tracks back north as a warm front. You can see that chillier air confined to Covington and back through Louisville. Look what happens tomorrow as the warm front heads north. We're in the upper 60s, and then the day after, as you get into Friday, we could easily bank it into the low 70s, which means record highs tomorrow and Thursday are all in jeopardy, not just in Lexington, Jackson, London. All we've got to do is get into the upper 60s to low 70s to do it, and we're going to be there. So a few showers, mostly cloudy today. Highs around 60. Now, that's depending on your location. That's here in Lexington. Warmer south, obviously cooler, much cooler, way up north, northwest. Low 50s tonight. Everybody gets in on the warmth Wednesday and Thursday, but unfortunately also that chance for heavy rain. As those rounds track through, we will have to watch out for some localized flash flooding potential, especially by Wednesday night and Thursday. Wrap it up possibly as a few rain to snow showers, and then there's the February that we all know and probably don't love. Temperatures in the 30s again heading into the weekend.
You know, as long as we stay away from those ice storms, I'm good with it. Tom, thank you.